All right, let's open up the MetaQuest 3S box. Look at this sleek, lightweight headset. Super modern design. Feels surprisingly light in my hands. Wireless freedom, here we go. First impression. Build quality is impressive, feels premium. Let's check out what's inside the box. We get the headset, Touch Plus controllers, charging cable, quick start guide, safety info, and some stickers. Plugging in for a quick charge before setup. While it charges, let's talk about what's special. MetaQuest 3S is all-in-one, no PC or wires needed. 128GB storage means tons of space for apps and games. It comes with Batman, Arkham Shadow. That's huge. Also, you get a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus. Ready to experience mixed reality? Let's power it on. Setup was easy, just follow the on-screen steps. The interface is super intuitive, even for first-timers. Now let's try blending digital content into my room. Whoa, virtual screens float right in front of me. I can pull up YouTube, browse the web, message friends, all while seeing my actual room around me. So cool. Let's test the theater mode, turning my living room into a cinema. The screen is massive, colors are vibrant, sharp details. Dim surroundings make it feel totally immersive. Plugging in my USB-C headphones for epic sound. You can use any 3.5mm headphones with an adapter too. Now let's jump into Batman, Arkham Shadow. Instantly I'm in Gotham. The immersion is unreal. Graphics are stunning, 2x GPU compared to Quest 2. Every movement feels smooth and responsive. Touch Plus controllers have fine-tuned precision, or just use your hands to swipe through menus. Let's invite friends to join me in Meta Horizon. Feels like we're hanging out together, even miles apart. We're watching a live concert together. Audio is crystal clear. Casting my gameplay onto the TV for everyone to see. Switching to fitness mode. Time for a virtual workout. I'm boxing, dancing, moving freely, no wires holding me back. Lightweight comfort makes long sessions easy. Sweat-proof padding, no slipping even during intense workouts. Tracking is accurate even when I move fast. Great for fitness enthusiasts looking for fun workouts. Families can share the headset, multiple user profiles available. Parental controls let you manage content and screen time. Check daily usage, set permissions, keep everyone safe. Perfect for kids 10 and up. See safety guidance online. Let's multitask. Watching Netflix, browsing Instagram, chatting. Social media apps like WhatsApp, Messenger are built in. Stay connected with friends while you play. Switching between apps is seamless, no lag at all. Performance is top tier, fast load times, smooth transitions. Mixed reality lets me blend digital objects into my space, or dial up the immersion for full VR experiences. Thousands of apps and games to explore. From gaming to fitness to entertainment, possibilities are endless. MetaQuest 3S fits all lifestyles, gamers, families, fitness fans. Battery lasts several hours. Good for long play sessions. Charging is quick and easy with USB-C. Headset adjusts to fit different head sizes comfortably. Controllers feel natural. Easy to grip, responsive buttons. Setup and updates are simple, even for beginners. Support is solid, lots of online resources and guides. MetaQuest 3S is truly a game changer for home entertainment. If you want immersive gaming, this is the headset to get. Fitness is actually fun and you'll break a sweat. Families can enjoy together safely and easily. The included Batman game and Horizon Plus trial are awesome bonuses. Unreal experiences at an unreal price. Seriously impressive value. If you're on the fence, I highly recommend trying it. Check child safety guidance online before sharing with kids. Ready to transform your reality? Grab MetaQuest 3S today. Links and more info in the description below. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll answer them all. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more tech reviews. See you next time with another awesome gadget.